Welcome. Today, we're unlocking one of the most powerful prompt engineering techniques, using examples to dramatically improve your AI's output. Think about teaching a new team member. Sometimes telling them what to do isn't enough. Showing them a clear example of the final product or a desired format is far more effective. AI learns the same way. Let's look at a practical scenario: crafting an email signature. If you simply prompt, create a professional email signature for a virtual assistant, you might get something functional but generic. It's okay, but it lacks specific formatting or the professional polish that you might envision. Now, watch the difference when we provide an example. If we add lines like this, the AI immediately understands the structure, the line breaks, and even the subtle use of dividers. The output is now beautifully formatted and professional. Exactly what you wanted because you showed it what to do. Let's try another. Say you need a product description for, let's say, a new reusable water bottle. A basic prompt might give you a bland summary. But what if you provide an example of the style you like? You could give it a short, punchy description of a different product and then ask it to write about your water bottle. The AI will learn from that example, mimicking the tone and the conciseness, thereby producing a much more engaging and effective description of your new product. Providing examples is like giving the AI a blueprint. It's an incredibly powerful technique to guide the AI, ensuring its output perfectly aligns with your specific vision, style, and formatting needs. Practice incorporating examples into your prompts, and you will see a dramatic leap in the quality and precision of your AI generated content.